bow lands. Looks down. Sebastian's painting and whistling. We hear, Sebastian! I'm getting out of here tonight. Dante, what do you think? Pull back to see this beautiful sign. Nice. I'm going camping in the forest for a few days. Whoa. I've been beyond those walls before, kid. Didn't end so well. Huh? Okay, thanks for the warning. Tick, 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 tick. Whoa, 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 Dante. Why leave when you got everything right here in Tremati? We've got Monday night rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Ah, whoosh, boom. Wednesday's talent show. Whoosh. Beep. And best of all, when you die, you come right back to life. Click. Dong. Anybody see my accordion? Dante, it's too risky out there. Sebastian, there's just some things in life I've got to find out for myself. All right, kid, at the bottom of the east wall, there's a stone with a mark on it. That's your ticket out of here. Big smile grows on Dante's face. I love you, man. Boop.